Today we will discuss about probability related to the bags and balls. If a bag contains 4 balls, if you want to pick up 2 balls, if we need to pick up 2 balls out of 4 balls, we can select in 4C2 ways. 4C2 means 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4C2 is 6. Total 6 ways we can select 2 balls out of 4 balls. This is the only concept we need to know to solve these kind of problems. Okay, question is a bag contains 6 white and 4 black balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. Find the probability that they are of the same color. A bag contains 6 white and 4 black balls. If we want those 2 balls have same color, then those 2 balls either should be picked up from these 6 white balls or those 2 should be picked up from these 4 black balls. 2 balls can be picked from 6 balls in 6C2 ways. Or because we are using R, we need to use plus. And 2 balls can be picked up from 4 black balls, that is 4C2 ways. 6C2 means 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. 2 3s are 6, so 3 into 5 is 15. Plus 4C2 means 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 into 2 is 6. Total 21 ways we can select to get the same color. To find out probability, what is the formula? That is expected number of possibilities by total number of possibilities. What is the total number of possibilities? We have total 10 balls. From 10 balls we can pick 2 balls in 10C2 ways. These are the total number of ways we can pick. 10C2 means 10 into 9 by 1 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 9 into 5 is 45. So final probability is expected number of possibilities, that is 21, and total possibilities, that is 45. 3 7 and 3 15s are 45. So 7 by 15 is the answer. Okay, next question. A box contains 4 red, 5 green and 6 white balls. A ball is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the ball drawn is either red or green? We have 4 red balls, 5 green and 6 white balls. If we want the picked up ball should be either red or green, it should be either picked up from 4 red balls or 5 green balls. From 4 red balls we can pick 1 ball in 4C1 ways, or 1 ball can be picked up from 5 green balls is 5C1 ways. Total 4C1 means 4 and 5C1 means 5. Total 9 ways we can pick up a ball which is red or green. To find out probability, we need to find out total possibilities. We have total 15 balls, that is 4 plus 5 plus 6. So probability is expected number of possibilities, that is 9, and total number of possibilities, that is 15. 3 3s and 3 5s. 3 by 5 is the answer. Next question. A basket contains 4 red, 5 blue and 3 green marbles. If 2 marbles are drawn at random from the basket, what is the probability that both are red? If you want those 2 picked marbles to be red, then those 2 must be picked up from 4 red marbles. Out of 4 red marbles, we can pick 2 marbles in 4C2 ways. That is 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 into 2 is total 6 ways we can pick up. So probability is expected number of possibilities, that is 6, and total possibilities are, we have total 4 plus 5 plus 3, that is 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 3 12. 12 marbles we have. So out of 12 marbles we can pick 2 marbles in 12C2 ways, that is 12 into 11 by 1 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 11 into 6 is 66. Total 66 ways we can pick 2 marbles out of 12 marbles. Answer is 6 by 66. 6 ones and 6 11s. The final answer will be 1 by 11. Next question. A basket contains 6 blue, 2 red, 4 green and 3 yellow balls. If 3 balls are picked up at random, what is the probability that none is yellow? We have total 6 blue, 2 red, 4 green and 3 yellow. If we pick 3 balls out of these, those 3 should not be yellow. It means those 3 balls should be picked up from these colors. Total, how many non-yellow color balls are there? That is 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. We have total 12 non-yellow balls are there. If we pick 3 balls out of those 12, then we can pick up in 12 C3 ways. 12 C3 means 12 into 11 into 10 by 1 into 2 into 3. 2 5s are 10 and 3 4s are 12. So 4 into 11 is 44 into 5. These many ways we can pick 3 non-yellow balls. To get the probability, we need to find out all possible ways to pick up 3 balls. Total we have how many balls? These are 12 and these are 3. Total 15 balls we have. Out of 15 balls we can pick up 3 balls in 15 C3 ways. 15 C3 means 15 into 14 into 13 by 1 into 2 into 3. 3 5s are 15 and 2 7s are 14. 13 into 7 is 91 into 5. And 5 gets cancelled. We get finally 44 by 91. This is the probability.